Today we are presenting butter chicken. Comes in the supermarket in packs like this. Chopped garlic, chicken already washed, peeled off. That's butter,
This is the butter.
main ingredient for this dish. Use a meat hammer to beat the meat. Use the finer side of the hammer for this beating. That will make chicken softer and thinner. Cut the chicken.
Like a square shape, but don't cut
Yeah, it is
see, like this.
surface
Yes,
surface cutting only, not the full cut. Cut in square shape.
yes, like this. Huh? You go the case.
Half cut in both side square shape. The chicken already cut. Add a pinch of salt to both sides of chicken. Rub it in. Squeeze lemon to the both sides. Add pepper powder, black pepper powder
Yeah.
to both sides. Rub it in. Place the cast iron pan on the stove. When the oil is sizzling, place the hammered chicken. When the oil is hot, topple upside down. When that is to for even cooking, even and cooking the both sides. By turning upside down, you cook both sides evenly. Cut the butter into a slice. Add oil
This is
into the pan.
yeah. Oil.
Cook. Add a pinch of pepper powder. You can see the square shape cutting makes it get cooked inside. That's the idea of square shape cutting. Squeeze lemon also. Prestige.
这都是有性的 normal chicken，这些都是
Topple upside down regularly. Now add all the cut butter. Butter is getting melted. get mixed up with the already present oil.
You put it like this.
Place it on the plate. Now add the chopped garlic into the pan. Garlic is getting cooked. Now put the chicken back again. On top of garlic. Squeeze a bit of lemon again on top of that.
Oh,
A bit pinch of salt for your taste. Crumple upside down. Topple upside down frequently so that it gets cooked evenly both sides. Now you can see turning nice golden shade. Place the sizzling pan on top of the timber slide so that it will not burn the base of the table.
now like this.
That's sizzling. Now topple upside down again. Now it has been cooked nicely. You can see. Place it on a plate. Add the cooked garlic onto the dish because garlic gives excellent taste as well as very high health benefits. Tomato sauce,
Ketchup.
that's ketchup, tomato ketchup. That's the dish. Eat with tomato ketchup. Mustard cream. That's the completed dish. Eat with ketchup and mustard cream.
Then like this,
That's how you eat it.
or like this, like this.
You can add
Mm.